What if I told you that money, just like gravity, obeys laws you cannot escape? Whether you understand them or not, they're already shaping your financial future. The difference between the rich and the poor is not luck or genius, it's who actually applies these laws consistently. Today, I'm going to share with you the 25 laws of money to get rich. By the end of this video, you'll see wealth not as a mystery, but as a set of predictable steps. And make sure you watch until the very end, because the last law is the one most people ignore, and it's exactly why they never get ahead. Now let's begin. Law 1. Invest in assets, not obligations. Your finances should generate returns, even in your absence. Consider assets as trees, such as rental properties, index funds, and online businesses. Relying solely on exchanging your time for money means that once you cease working, your income will also cease. Begin making your investments today. Law 2. Ensure your expenditures are lower than your earnings. Establish a strict budget for your expenses and adhere to it without exception. It is advisable to allocate every raise, bonus, or additional income towards investments rather than enhancing your lifestyle. The unseen divide between earnings and expenditures is the foundation of wealth creation. Subscribe to our channel and also press the like button to know more tricks to get rich. Law 3. View money as an infinite opportunity. There is no definitive endpoint. Even income that is considered passive requires regular monitoring, adjustments, and a well-thought-out strategy. Financial success isn't about stopping entirely, it's about creating a strategy that continues to generate returns, even when you take a step back. Law 4. Prioritize personal development over financial gain. A luxury vehicle will not address feelings of insecurity. Pursuing purchases solely to impress others can lead to financial strain, leaving your bank account diminished while your self-assurance remains unfulfilled. Prioritize the development of discipline, health, and skills initially. In this context, financial resources enhance rather than conceal your true identity. Law 5. Silence is the best ally of wealth. Discussing financial success can lead to feelings of jealousy and expose you to unwarranted risks. Maintain your privacy. Invest in a reliable vehicle, embrace a modest lifestyle, and allow your financial portfolio to speak for itself rather than seeking validation through social media. Law 6. Those who are prepared will benefit during times of crisis. Every market downturn reallocates resources from those who are not ready to those who have a strategic approach. Maintain adequate cash reserves, identify the assets you desire, and be patient for market fluctuations to present opportunities for favorable pricing. Law 7. Stay ahead of your expenses. Expenses increase as life progresses, family obligations, healthcare needs, and housing costs. If your income fails to increase at a sufficient rate, it can significantly hinder your investment potential. Consistently seek opportunities to enhance your income on an annual basis through skill development, pursuing promotions, and exploring side ventures. Law 8. Begin the process of compounding as soon as possible. The power of compounding relies not on skill, but on the passage of time. Investing a modest sum at an early stage can yield better results than waiting to invest a larger sum later on. Ensure you automate and safeguard that streak with utmost diligence. Law 9. Cease further investments in unproductive ventures. If a particular expense or project is negatively impacting your financial health, it's wise to discontinue it. It's important to avoid using additional funds to justify poor choices. Excessive pride can lead to significant expenses, while embracing humility can yield valuable returns. Law 10. Always refrain from purchasing assets that you do not fully comprehend. Market trends and excitement can often entice individuals into the world of false play. If you cannot articulate the mechanism by which an investment generates returns, you are engaging in speculation rather than making a sound investment decision. Law 11. Inflation significantly diminishes the value of cash. Maintaining a large cash reserve may provide a sense of security, yet it's important to recognize that inflation can erode purchasing power over time. Establish a reserve for emergencies, and allocate the remaining funds towards investments that appreciate over time. Law 12. Avoid purchasing unnecessary items. Every dollar allocated to non-essential items represents an opportunity cost that could have been directed towards investment. Prioritize your essentials. Allocate funds for investments, and consider luxuries only after addressing the first two. Law 13. Cultivate independent thinking. Market participants are often driven by emotions such as fear and greed. Financial success is frequently achieved through composed, logical choices that stand apart from the distractions around us. Law 14. Routine actions lead to remarkable outcomes. Success is not merely about hitting a jackpot. It's about cultivating steady, reliable practices. Consistent savings, systematic investing, ongoing skill development. Incremental achievements build towards financial prosperity. Law 15. Debt should be viewed as a strategic instrument, not a frivolous plaything. When utilized effectively, leverage has the potential to significantly enhance growth. Consider rental properties and business loans that demonstrate established demand. When mismanaged, it can lead to significant losses. Law 16. Analyze tax implications. Individuals with substantial assets strategically minimize their tax liabilities through careful planning. Understanding retirement accounts, deductions, and depreciation can significantly enhance your financial growth when you take the time to learn about them. Law 17. Be prepared to seize unique opportunities when they arise. Occasionally, a single deal, investment, or business decision has the potential to propel your progress by a decade. Maintain liquidity and enhance your skill set, ensuring that when opportunities arise, you are prepared to seize them. Law 18. Protect your aspirations. Avoid discussing significant financial aspirations with acquaintances or family members, as they may impose their own anxieties onto your plans. Consult with those who inspire and uplift you, rather than those who bring uncertainty. Law 19. Prioritize the critical 20% that drives the most significant results. A significant portion of outcomes is derived from a limited number of actions. Identify the key investments, skills, or clients that contribute significantly to your growth and focus your efforts on enhancing those areas. Law 20. Safeguard that which is beyond monetary value. Financial success holds little value if it is not accompanied by well-being, strong relationships, and quality moments spent with those we care about. It is crucial to prioritize your fundamental needs over short-term benefits. Law 21. Utilize banks primarily for security rather than for expansion. Relying solely on a savings account is unlikely to significantly increase your wealth. Utilize banks for your reserves while allocating the remainder towards income-generating investments. Law 22. Understand the intricacies of the financial system. Financial institutions generate revenue by utilizing the deposits you entrust to them for lending purposes. Prioritize ownership over perpetual consumption that incurs high-interest debt. Law 23. Strategically leverage affordable capital. When borrowing costs fall below the rate of inflation, it presents a unique opportunity to leverage financial resources effectively. It is advisable to borrow solely for assets that yield a return greater than the cost of the debt incurred. Law 24. Position yourself as an ideal candidate for lending opportunities. Having robust credit, consistent cash flow, and a history of financial discipline will attract banks to support your projects. Establish your financial reputation. Law 25. Approach credit cards with caution and respect. While reward points can be appealing, the impact of high interest rates can be quite severe. It is advisable to settle your balances in full or consider steering clear of them entirely. Watch the video appearing on the left side to know if you're in the top 10% of Americans or not. Also, subscribe to our channel to help us complete our goal of 11,000 subscribers.